tomorrow onwards, I want you to come for daily mass at 6:30 a.m. These words of a nun who was my favorite teacher of class 7 still resounds in me. The church was around 4 miles away from my house. Those words made me get up in the morning at 5, take a torchlight in my hand and walk through the thick forest to attend the daily mass. Church was my second home. I was always there serving as the altar boy, and I was also called Daktopadra, in other words, assistant parish priest. At home, my pious parents and all my siblings prayed for vocations during the family prayer. That has always inspired me. My vision and mission in the Society of Jesus is to participate actively in the mission of the Society of Jesus and thus to see all things new in Christ.
The desire to be a priest emerged when I was an altar server in my parish. I was also inspired by the parish priests who lived exemplary lives. At the same time, I was fascinated by the two great Jesuit saints, Saint Francis Xavier and Saint John Berchmans, which led me to choose Jesuit life. After embracing Jesuit life, 12 years have passed. Today, I truly feel blessed and joyful to be a Jesuit. When I think of Jesuits, what comes to my mind are the words of so many popes who said, "The church needs Jesuits to go to the missions where others do not go or find it difficult to go." As a Jesuit, what I cherish is the Jesuit spirituality, which makes me a better Jesuit in my life and a better instrument in the hands of God. As a Jesuit, I would like to work in the missions and see the Lord, touch Him and serve Him in the poorest of the poor.
The vocation to religious life and to priesthood is a gift that I received from the Lord. And whenever I think of God's call in my life, I remember 4 things. First of all, serving at the altar for early morning masses. Secondly, helping out in different church activities. And thirdly, I remember the constant guidance and support of my teachers. And finally, and most importantly, I remember the prayerful accompaniment and motivation of my family members, especially my mother. And this call has made me realize 2 important things in my life. First of all, God does not call the qualified, but He qualifies the call. And secondly, we are the choices of God and not the chances of God. This choice entails a responsibility. The responsibility is to receive the gospel of Christ, to believe what I read, to teach what I believe, and to practice what I teach. And what is my vision for my priesthood? My vision as a priest is to internalize what I hear on my ordination day, to know what I am doing, to imitate the mystery that I celebrate, and to model my life on the mystery of the Lord's cross.
This child of mine should be a Jesuit. This must have been Lord's desire as He found me in my mother's womb. That's why everything in and around me as I grew up had a Jesuit touch. It is a Jesuit priest who talked to me first about God's call. The nuns who inspired me to listen to divine voice spoke of Jesuits. The saints I had heard of, other than those mentioned in the Bible, were all Jesuits. Saint Francis Xavier, my parish patron saint, Saint John Berchmans, patron saint of altar servers, and a saint whose name I had learned in my social studies textbook, Saint Ignatius of Loyola. Finally, as destiny would have it, I joined the Jesuits. I gratefully recognize all that the Society of Jesus has been to me. It has loved me and transformed me. As I look towards the future, my vision is to make Jesus known. That Jesus who wanted oppressive structures to be destroyed. For this end, my means would be that of education. Education to the least, the last, and the lost.
My journey to priesthood began when I was in my primary schooling. I was encouraged by my parents to go to daily Eucharist and to participate in the parish activities. I was inspired by the priest and religious lifestyle, being close to the altar, sacrificial life, participating in the lives of people, sharing their difficulties and listening to their difficulties. Finally, I heard that God was deep down in my heart was calling to His service. It was my uncle, Father Ambrose de Souza, who called me to be a Jesuit. When I joined his society and when I look back, I see a tremendous change and growth in my life. As a priest, I would like to be part of people's lives. I would like to share the God experience that I have got with them. I would like to become part of their life and share their difficulties and become a valuable change in their life.